Let's delve into the basic elements of a folder. This is the folder summary page, where, as the name suggests, you get a summary of the various elements that make up this folder. Firstly, we have the order details. Here you can find all the order-related information, such as the type of order, the customer, the branch, the division, the language, the currency, and so on. Under the travel details section, the destination, departure date, booking agent, and the number of passengers is displayed. The specific passenger details can be found in the passenger details table. In the product details section, you can see a snapshot of all the products included in this booking and their costs. Clicking on a product will allow you to view more details. The delivery address, if available, will be mentioned here. Other details such as the LPO, creation date, and booking status can be found here. Further, the folder status and payment status can be viewed under the Status tab. If there are any customer-specific fields, they will be mentioned in the CS field table. Here, you can also see all the integrated payment gateways, particularly the Moto payments, and you even have the option to send an email payment link to the customer. On the right-hand side, you'll notice a bell icon, which is the alert system. If you wish to set a workflow for the folder, you can do so here. You can send the invoice through WhatsApp, preview it, or send it via quick email. You can print the receipt and push the itinerary to Wet2 if you are integrated with it. This itinerary button will help you to quickly send the itinerary, and if there's ATOL, it can be calculated and viewed here. That concludes our tour of the folder summary page. To retrieve a specific PNR, you can use the Retrieve PNR button. Additionally, you can view the GDS tray and the summary of all related folders using the Folder Summary button. Any emails linked to this folder can be viewed by clicking on the email icon. This provides a comprehensive summary of the Folder Summary tab. Moving on to the Receipts tab, this is where you record any customer payments. There are various options available, such as bank, PDQ, Moto, GL, cash, reward points, or gift card voucher. The Payments tab is used to record any payments made to the supplier. Similar payment methods are available, and you can record the transactions here. The History tab records every change made to the folder, particularly any financial transactions. If you wish to view any additional changes, click on Show Saved. In the Accounts tab, you have several options. This is where you invoice this particular folder using the Create Invoice option. You can create PO per product. If you wish to use the Multiple PO option to create various POs for one supplier within this folder, you can do so. The Transaction Summary provides a summary of all financial transactions within this folder. The Notes option allows you to view and add several notes to the folder. These notes can be printed or kept unprinted. Lastly, the More tab offers options such as deleting the folder. Let's turn our attention to the folder options. If you wish to create an installment plan for the payment of this folder, it can be done right here under the installment plans. You can also set the cancellation date and charges while setting the plan. Let's now move to the next tab, Folder Options. Under Folder Options, you can view various options such as default settings, and you have the ability to edit them. Additionally, there is an option to merge this booking with other bookings or orders. If you're interested in viewing the source file from where this folder was received, these details can be viewed here. So that provides an overview of the folder. We will delve into the details of each tab in the next video.